Hare Krishna, all of you.
Hare Krishna.
How are you all? How many of you are new today? Okay, and both. Others, you have attended the previous classes, right?
This is my second class.
Oh, good. Previous classes you have attended. Good. Okay. We'll begin the prayers and I will discuss. Start. You can recite along with me. 3 times. This one 3 times. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Gnananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Ulmitam Ena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktarinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Welcome all of you to today Bhagavad Gita session. So these all concepts we are taking from Bhagavad Gita. So we are in the level 1. So from Janmashtami, like we have started this course. So each course will be having like 12 modules, 9 to 12 modules, and in that again one by one, like every week we'll be discussing. I think last week it was discontinued, half of the topic was covered. So today only I came to know, otherwise I would have taken your mind, that was today's topic, but I will complete this last week's topic, because abruptly we can't stop, right? So you need to get the solution also. I think Mataji has not given solutions. She said me that like very hot discussions were going on last week. Let us continue today, and today's class is dedicated to His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada ki jai. Okay. Dealing with adverse situations. As I was not available last week, I want to know about from you what you have taken away from this class. What you have discussed.
We discussed about karma, akarma, vikarma.
So you are going little bit deeper. I request you all to bring notes. Okay, simple notes, notepads also, no problem. Or else in your mobile only you can open notepad and start write the important points. Not full lecture, important points. Whatever you feel that it is a good point I need to take away from this class. Okay, because again we'll link these points to some other class. All are interconnected, because this entire this all series is belonging to Bhagavad Gita, right? Bhagavad Gita is interlinked. It is not like this subject is over, no. Karma is over, no. Again we will not discuss karma. No, we have to discuss about karma in going forward also. These all topics we need to discuss again and again. So I request all of you to note down whatever points we are discussing. So anyone else? Last time, like what else we have discussed about karma? Karma is 3 parts. What are those 3 types of karmas?
Akarma, vikarma, karma. Karma, akarma, vikarma.
Okay. Can you elaborate one line?
Karma means what you are doing, your actions and the results, your attachment. Sakarma means, akarma means you are doing your karma, but everything you are offering to God. No attachments and to results. And vikarma means against shastras. Against shastras.
Anyone can clear more, clear the concepts? Anyone?
Karma has again sakam and nishkam. So sakam means you are doing it for results.
Hmm.
Nishkam means you are not attached to results.
Hmm. We are not attached to result. Then what is the difference between nishkama karma and akarma?
So nishkam you are still not offering to. It's not completely like you are not offering to it to God. You are doing it.
Hmm.
You are not attached to results,
Hmm.
but you are not doing it for God. Karma is always you are doing it for God.
Okay. No problem. Again, we'll little bit recap the last week's topic, whatever Mataji has discussed. So you have come across right this point especially. Have you done this? Why do bad things happen to good people? And always this is a basic question we get. At least we don't know about others, but ourselves we get this question to us only, right? Why every time I will be targeted? Why I will every time I will be humiliated? Why bad is happening to me only? Okay, everyone is enjoying their life. You feel that everyone is happy around you, but except you, right? What is that? What is the reason?
Past karma.
Past karma. Okay. Have you observed all these things? Only I am telling. Only it's happening with me, I guess. It's happening with you all.
Yes.
Only why me? Why me? Even you are fighting with your siblings, always your mother comes and scolds you only. Right? So why me? Okay, why me? If God exists, then why so much suffering? Yeah, actually it's correct only, no? Atheists can definitely question this. If you are like good follower and you are a strong believer and you are having strong faith on the God, he can come and ask you, hey, where is your God? Has he disappeared or is he blind? Okay, these questions he may ask. He or she may ask. Atheists can ask these questions. If God is existing, everything should be smoother, calm, peace, everywhere. Right? Huh? But why not? Why everything is happening? Last class. Not discussed. Why it's open? No? This one is not discussed?
No, I was not in the last class.
Not discussed? Okay. See, first of all, whatever actions we are doing, every action has reaction. In science also you have learnt. That is only called karma, nothing else. Only our topic, our Indian culture topic, Western scientists have taken and they have proved, hence proved. Every action has equal and opposite reaction. Same thing already it is said in our scriptures, right? So this is how now we are going to discuss the entire class about karma only. Okay, why God exists, then why so much suffering? If suffering is not there, we will not be here. We will be in somewhere Vaikunta or Kailasa or somewhere like heavenly planets and will not come back here, or Goloka Vrindavan, right? Why we are here? Because to suffer. Because this world is dukhalaya ashashvitam. Okay, everything asatya. Okay, everywhere asatya, and there is no guarantee for our life. We have come here to suffer. From the womb of the mother we are suffering, and out of the womb also we are suffering, right? When the baby was in the womb, it was struggling a lot to come out. It was eating all nonsense things and still it was survived, and then we have come out because आगे पिक्चर बाकी है. ये तो थोड़ा ट्रायल है जो womb में है, लेकिन जब बाहर आए इतना बड़ा पिक्चर ना पता नहीं कितने साल तक चलते रहता है ये, without even any break, no intervals in this picture, right? Our life is like a big picture, like 70 years, 80 years, 90 years. If you are lucky, 100 years, 100 साल जियो. जो भी बुजुर्ग ने आपको अच्छे से आशीर्वाद दिया वो पूरा हो गया, right? 100 साल जिए without having any interval, without all sufferings. Do you think that if you have become old, we don't have any sufferings? ऐसा कोई भी आदमी है जो जिंदगी में अभी तक बोल चुका होगा कि I don't have any suffering, I am happy person in this world, I have everything, नाम शौहरत पैसा, क्या चाहिए? अच्छी बीवी है, अच्छे बच्चे हैं, बच्चों का अच्छे फैमिलीज में शादी हो गए और क्या परपोते सब लोग अच्छे हैं, ओके, बट स्टिल loneliness, still hollowness in the life, still there are sufferings, unknowing sufferings. In the previous first class we have discussed what is the similarities between human and animal seed. If you remember the seed, no, then you will come to know sleeping, eating, enjoyment and defending, right? So this is how, like, we need to show some difference because we have high intelligence to inquire about, right? When we have taken the birth of human being, definitely we have to suffer also, okay. We'll discuss now hereafter, like, whether animals will have karma or not. We are so much attached to animals, no? We are equally discussing about animals and human beings, okay. Karma as menu, you get served what you deserve, right? There is no choice. What you have done, भुगतो अभी जो किया वो पता नहीं चलता था, जो किया है अभी उसका रिजल्ट भुगतना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज विदाउट नोइंग द रिजल्ट वी आर वर्किंग, we have done some bullshit, without knowing the result. Now what will happen, okay, going forward you have to face the result. अगर ये जन्म में नहीं तो next जन्म में, okay. What are the basic tenets of karma? Equal action as, every action has equal and opposite reaction, and responsibility comes when intelligence is developed. Human life is a junction. Then and all we are going to discuss. Now what are different types of karma? Let us discuss. Anyone can read this?
कर्मण्यो हि अपि बोधव्यं च विकर्मः अकर्मणश्च बोधव्यं गहना कर्मणो इति.
Translation?
The intricacies of action are very hard to understand. Therefore, one should know properly what action is, what forbidden action is, and what
inaction is. So, karma, as Mataji said, that whatever action you are doing, you have to face the reaction. Okay. Now we are going to know about in karma only good karma and bad karma. That is punya. Good karma means punya. Punya, I think everybody knows, pious activities. Like what punya you are doing. Example? Good karma. Charity, having kindness, empathy, helping others, selfless service. Okay. And then charity also one of the thing. And feeding the poor, like anadan. This and all comes under good karma. Right. So then what is the reaction? It's a good thing only, no? So if you have done good action, then again you have to face the good reaction also, right? अगर फूल फेंकेंगे तो फूल ही आएगा, अगर पत्थर फेंकेंगे तो वापस पत्थर ही आएगा, right? So you are getting again good karma, good karma's reaction back, because you have to undergo that reaction also, okay? Good karma leads to enjoyment. What will happen if you have done good annadana और एक अच्छे सा इतना फ्रूट्स लेकर गए हनुमान टेम्पल के पास या बालाजी टेम्पल के पास, सबको बांट दिया, so will you feel happy or not? Very happy, no? Okay, that gives you satisfaction. That is enjoyment, right? Bad karma, papa. How do we understand what is good and bad?
Scriptures.
With scriptures. And usually, what are bad karmas? Not according to the scriptures. Like crime, murders, humiliation, okay, again taunting others unnecessarily, okay, these all nonsense things comes under bad karma, which is equal to papa, okay. That papa reaction also again you need to face. How? Okay, now next shloka. Today I think we need to skip shlokas because 12:30 sharp I am going to close it, okay. So translation quickly.
Out of disregard these teachings and do not follow them regularly are to be considered benefit of all knowledge, be folded and renewed in their endeavor for perfections.
Yeah, here Lord only is giving the answer for us. See, whenever, just now I was telling you, good karma, when you are doing good karma in this life, so next life you may take birth, you have to take birth to absorb that good karma reactions, Okay, you can get good life in your future, like in another janma, in another life, in a good, a devotee family or more pious family where the whole family is engaged in devotional services and all. Okay, bad karma, more pathetic life you may undergo. Okay, what kind of life and all we will see in the next lines. But here, as there is a punishment for disobedience to the order of the supreme executive head, so there is certainly punishment for disobedience to the order of supreme personality of Godhead. See, whatever bad karmas we are doing, definitely we have to undergo the punishments. Okay, it is clearly given by Lord. Example, what are those bad things? All four irregulative principles. Four irregulative, that is intoxication, meat eating, illicit sex and gambling. These all are nonsense things, like irregulative principles where we should not get involved. If you are getting involved, we have to suffer karmic reactions, which will be very, very pathetic and which are more punishable, severely punishable. Okay, so intoxication, all drinking, cigarette smoking and all, meat eating, illicit means irregular or connections in what you say, which are not authenticated connections. If wife and husband, okay, it is a good connection because all are blessed and you are getting married, right? But without having marriage, having like all connections with other people, other gender, it is a good or very bad bad karma. It falls into bad karma. And after getting marriage also, there are many people nowadays are having other relationships. So this all comes under bad karma. You have to undergo the punishment. Okay, and gambling, all gamblings, bettings, this all comes under gambling only. Okay, activities without reaction is called akarma. Okay, karma, vikarma, both will have reactions. But without reaction, what will be there? That is akarma. Activities without reaction is akarma. Akarma which doesn't incur any reaction. See, workers building the building and claiming it as his. Is it fine? Okay, there are so many in construction sites, there are so many people who are helping. Laborers are helping to construct the building. Can they say that I have constructed this building belongs to me? Can they say? No. Means that is not their job. That is not there, belonging to there. Only they are coming and doing their job and coming out. Right? So this is how. Just because we have transformed something, it does not belong to us. Okay. So you have got so much wealth, so you are doing charity, giving anadana or vastradana, whatever it may be. You are transforming it and taking the reactions. But how can you convert that good karma also into akarma? When you are keeping Krishna as the centric. Okay, in the name of God, you do the charity. Okay, then nothing will happen. No reaction will be touched to you, no attached to you. Okay, if you are doing anadana, you do anadana in the form of prasad. Okay, offer to the Lord as bhoga and then take it as a prasad and offer to everyone. So no attachment. Okay, you are doing as a labor work, at the construction site. You are going there and giving the prasad to the people and you are giving to everyone. So no attachment or no reactions, whatever you have done. So that is called as akarma. So without having any reaction, that is akarma. Okay, Krishna says everything belongs to him. Okay, bhumi, apo, nalo, vayu. So everything, this all first class we have learned, no? These all 5 elements in this world belongs to him only. This whole world is existing with 5 elements. Without that, there is no earth. Okay, there is no bhumi. So who are we? Everything belongs to him. Just we are taking his permission and distributing or doing the service. Got it? So akarma, when we use it in service of God and accept remnants as prasad, got it? That is the difference. Then how this can be achieved? by following the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. When you read Bhagavad Gita, you will understand what is the proper definition of karma going forward. Like how we need to behave. See, you are as it is. Nothing will be changed. I am telling you, after the class also nothing will be changed. But the perception you are looking at your daily routines will change. I am not telling all your attend Bhagavad Gita classes पूरा आपका क्या बोलते हैं sufferings पूरा खत्म full stop लग जाएगा नहीं. Here you will learn how to protect ourselves from the sufferings or how to get the strength to face the sufferings. That transformation you will get it. Okay. Now next shloka from 3.31 which says about karma. Quickly translation.
Those persons who execute their duties according to my injunctions and who follow this teaching faithfully without envy become free from the bondage of fruitive actions.
Yes. See, who executes their duties according to my injunctions. All injunctions are given in Bhagavad Gita. According to him, just follow Bhagavad Gita as it is because it is a manual which is given by the Lord himself. Okay, भगवान स्वयं आकर हमको दे रहे हैं बेटा ये पढ़ लो. नहीं मुझे वो पढ़ना है, ये पढ़ना है, ये कोर्स पूरी करनी है, वो कोर्स पूरी करनी है. जिंदगी भर पूरी कोर्स करेंगे लेकिन जीवन का कोर्स कभी पूरी नहीं हो पाएगा. Right? Unless you have done your life course, the purpose of life, why we have taken birth, if you know that, then you can lead your life peacefully. Real happiness you will get it. So Krishna himself is telling, follow this teachings faithfully. Faithfully without envy become free from bondage of fruitive reactions. Even you are doing punya, you will get fruitive reactions. Even you are doing papa, then also you will get reactions. So how can you get out of those papa punya reactions? By following akarma. By following akarma. Results you surrender to the Lord. Whatever it is, surrender to the Lord. Results you need to surrender to the Lord. ऐसा नहीं कि पाप कर्म कर लिया और भगवान को बोला ये रिजल्ट आप ले लो. अच्छा सा उसका पनिशमेंट तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. आप आयरन बॉक्स को जाकर ऐसे बोलेंगे कि सी आई नो यू आर हॉट बट स्टिल आई वांट टू टच. क्या होगा? यू हैव टू फेस. पनिशमेंट तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. डोंट थिंक दैट बिकॉज इट सीवियर क्राइम यू हैव डन and you are giving all the results to Bhagavan, he will not accept. He will teach you the lesson because next time you will not repeat. अगर एक बार लग गई चोट बार बार वो करेंगे क्या? नहीं. Right? Don't do like this time I have got this, so I will learn from my mistake. I will do more promptly and more beautifully that crime. Okay, एक बार पकड़ लिया, नेक्स्ट बार ऐसी होता है ना, जो क्रिमिनल्स होते हैं जेल में पकड़ लेते हैं, जेल में डालते हैं, फिर वो वापस आता है, फिर से वही क्राइम करने लगता है इन डिफरेंट वे. वो जेल में बैठकर क्या सोच रहा है, इस बार मैं करूंगा लेकिन मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि मुझे ना पकड़े. मोस्ट ऑफ द क्राइम्स इफ यू सी दे वुड हैव डन प्रीवियसली, दे हैव कमिटेड दिस क्राइम्स प्रीवियसली. अगर एक चोरी कर दिया फिर से पकड़ लिया फिर से वो आएगा. ओके, सो डेफिनेटली ही हैज टू अंडरगो द क्राइम punishments. Okay, so how can we do a karma? By following the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. Right? So now, do animals create new cycle of action and reaction? About animals, हमारा जुड़वे. Okay, ये हमें छोड़ता नहीं है ना. So कैसे? Do animals have karmic reactions?
No.
One example I will give you. Good, you said no. One example, in one room, closed room, a cage. You'll take a cage. A tiger is kept, and fresh green grass is spread over tiger. Will it eat? खाएगा? उसको भूख लगी है लेकिन कभी ना कभी थोड़ा टच कर लेगा, लेकिन फिर भी it can't sustain. Tiger can't sustain by eating grass, right? Same cage will change the animal. Okay, cow will take cow and will tie it and will spread fresh meat will spread it. Will he eat cow? No. Nowadays in America non-veg cows are there. Don't ask me that. Non-veg cows are there because voluntarily they are feeding cows, Americans, and they are sending the milk to India. So be careful when you are checking for milk products which is coming from other countries. Do not consider all those things. Non-veg animals, now they are feeding non-veg to the cows and they are taking the milk, and that becomes non-veg milk only. So I'm not talking that one, but just flesh is surrounded it, and will it eat? No. But if you type human being, both है, grass भी है, flesh भी है, will he sustain? Yes. कितना खराबी है human being. At least they know their system and their regularities, their principles of their life. I am a carnivorous, I need to eat only flesh, right? I am a domestic animal, I need to have only green grass. They have their principles. But human being जो भी है मिलता है खा लेते हैं. Okay, without knowing we feed human flesh also they will eat. उसमें मिर्च मसाला डाल के, है ना? Such a cruel living being in this on this earth is human being only. Actually हम लोग शाम को देखकर नहीं डरना है, हम लोग को human being को देखकर डरना चाहिए. Such a cruel people we are. So this is how, that is the reason animals will not face any or fall under karmic reactions, because they are doing their duty properly. They are following their principles properly. We are having high intelligence than animals, but still we are committing big mistake, and we are very much big criminals than animals, right? So that is the reason we have to face this. We are falling under this karmic reactions. Got it? So animals won't have karmic reactions. That is the reason even for small children, अगर एक 5 साल का बच्चा कुछ गलती करा तो विल पनिश वेरी बैडली. अगर कोई वो चोरी कर लिया तो क्या करेंगे? पकड़कर ओके थोड़ा डांटेंगे, छोड़ देंगे. अगर कोई उसके पास उसको लेकर जज के पास लेकर जाएगा, व्हाट जज विल डू? ही विल स्माइल एंड उसको थोड़ा डांट कर छोड़ देंगे, नहीं तो छोटा पनिशमेंट उसके हिसाब से देंगे, राइट? सो एज द लेवल ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस इज इंक्रीजिंग, responsibilities will increase and our intelligence will increase. If our intelligence are increasing, we'll fall under karmic reactions. Got it? वो innocent बच्चा है, उसका कुछ nothing. Okay, if a small baby comes and if it comes and takes this and go to home, we'll just smile at him and we'll leave, right? But a big person, any grown up person is taking and is running away, we'll chase him, right? So that is the difference. Why? Because intelligence is there, but still he is doing the same mistake. So that is bad karma what he is doing, right? So this is what. And human life is a junction. How? Human life is a junction. It can go to a higher level or lower level based on his intelligence. Okay. At the junction, you can change the path. Now when I say higher or lower, what is here? It is important. Now next shloka, it says about this. Very important shloka. Actually, we need to recite. Okay.
As a person puts on new garments, giving up old ones, the soul similarly accepts new material bodies, giving up the old and useless ones.
Yeah. See, on what basis do soul change the bodies?
Karma.
Okay, good karma. I'll give you one example. You don't have proper clothes. In the sense, you need to purchase. Now Dashera is coming. No, you want to purchase clothes. So where do you go? To malls, right? So in malls, what you can see? So many different varieties of clothes. Can you purchase all the clothes? On what basis you choose the clothes?
Money.
Budget. Money in your wallet, right? First of all, we'll check like how much I need to spend for my dress, and then different clothes, whatever it is suitable or whatever you like, right? Correct? Same thing. Now we'll convert into this topic. Now when we are discussing, same analogy, when the when a baby takes birth, So it starts with boyhood, youth and old age, right? And then new body. After old age, new body. Once the person dies, again soul transferred to the another body. If I go to, okay, based on what we get new body. Now tell me, based on what we get new body? Based on karma. Karma is in our wallet. Just now when you went to the mall, based on your wallet or money you are going to choose your clothes. Same way, based on karma, we are going to choose new body. Okay, if you have good karma, good cloth, okay, silk cloth or anything. If you are only kuch less money you have, so less quality only cloth you need to choose. Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, people will say, like, at the time of that, whatever is in your mind,
I'm coming to that point. Still it is there. Okay, so now understood clothes and our karma. Wallet is like our karma. Got it? Understood? So what we need to keep in our wallet? Good things. Always good things, positive things, right? Which can give you positiveness and happiness in your life. Real happiness in your life. Got it? Next shloka will go, we'll understand here. What kind of birth or body will take? Now it shows. Can you read that wordings? Translation.
there are 9 lakh species living in the water. There are also 2 million non-living entities such as trees and plants. These are also 1.1 million species of insects and reptiles, and there are 1 million species of birds. As far as quadrupeds are concerned, there are 3 million varieties, and there are also 4 lakh human species.
Yes. Don't feel loneliness and don't feel alone you are there. Along with you, 84 lakh species are there in this world. Okay. So, in human being only you can see 4 lakh human species. First of all, as per Vishnu Purana, it says that there are 84 lakh species on this world, and based on our karma, we can get any of this body. इतना पाप कर्म कर लिया हमने, नेक्स्ट लाइफ में एक मच्छर के जैसे पैदा होंगे. व्हाट इज द लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ मच्छर? 1 डे तक मार दिया. अगर छोटी बेबी है तो मिल गया किसी को, मार दिया, मर गया, बस नेक्स्ट जन्म. ऐसे देर आर मिलियंस ऑफ बर्थ्स यू वुड हैव टेकन. Okay, always I say, no, don't celebrate like 20 years or 16 years, 18 years birthday or 40 years birthdays. You would have celebrated millions of birthdays in your for the soul who is existing in us, right? So this is how, like, so many lives we have crossed and we have entered this human life, which is very, very precious. See, as per your karma, you can take birth of 9 lakh species of aquatic. Okay, there are 9 lakh species in aquatic and 20 lakh trees which can't move. There are 20 lakh things, and 1.1 lakh insects or reptiles, and 10 lakhs birds, and 30 lakhs other varieties, and 4 lakhs human species. Imagine next life में हम लोग क्या होंगे पता नहीं. Okay, and जो भी हम लोग कीड़े ये सारे दिख रहे हैं ना, they are also taking birth, and there again they will be, each and every living being have soul. What is the size of soul? In the first class I think I have discussed. 1 by 10,000th tip of hair. Okay, so that is the size of soul. So then you can imagine, like, wherever it can fit in all. Okay, so what to do now? Whatever state of being one remembers when he quits his body, O son of Kunti, that state he will attain without fail. As Mataji was telling, in Bhagavad Gita 8.6, it clearly mentions. Okay, whatever we do in the entire day. Okay, one example, whatever you are doing in the entire day, it will come in your dreams. Kahi na kahi, that, what do you say, samskaras will be there in our mind. That impressions will be there in our mind. Okay, if you have done something or you would have seen some सीरियल कैसे मोड़ पे आया ना, जैसे बाहुबली ने कट्टप्पा को क्यों मारा, वैसे मोड़ पे आकर खत्म, तो दिमाग में घूमता रहता है. इन ड्रीम्स ऑल्सो विल गेट. ओके, so like this strong impression, there are so many strong impressions in our life. Okay, if you take your childhood, I think you remember sometime like some things in your childhood memories, not everything. Why? Because God has given forgetfulness also. That is the beauty of, right? So whatever strong impressions which are led in our mind, that we can remember. अगर टीचर ने एक चांटा मारा नहीं तो you have won a like a prize, some क्या बोलते हैं, very precious prize. Okay, that also you can remember. और कुछ अनहोनी चीज हो गई, आपसे कुछ गलती हो गई, that also, that still you feel guilty. Okay, that is ruining your life from the childhood. Right? There are so many strong impressions which are led in our life. Okay, we still remember whatever strong impressions have on our mind in our entire life. We see those as impressions at the last moment. Now, why only certain things we can remember in our life? Because of strong impressions. Whatever strong impressions we have all in our mind, we will have a rapid slide show at the time of our death. Same thing. जो बचपन से हमने पैदाइशी से एंड तक at the time of death, like a strong reel will be played, like Insta reels में फटाक से होता रहता है, right? So same way, like God will be reeling your whole lifespan, entire lifespan from birth to deathbed. So wherever you get stuck, next life will be the same. अगर आप डॉगी बहुत पसंद थी, okay, my cuckoo, whatever it is, the name, I'm missing you. अगर एक flash of second you remember, if you are stop in that reel, गया आपका life उधर ही end हुआ, then next life will be dog. One example I will give you. One person, like he was on the deathbed. Okay, throughout his life he was thinking about 4 BHK house, nice villa. He was dreaming about to have nice villa and nice, क्या बोलते हैं, he was dreaming I will be happily with my wife and children in this villa. Okay, and I want to enjoy my life. वैसे रील पास होता था, उसे सडनली उसी में किचन, और रील में किचन दिखा, किचन में कॉकरोच दिखा and stopped. So now tell me, like which birth he will take? But his strong desire was that also, no? Cockroach in a 4 BHK. Okay, now his desire is fulfilled. जो मांगा था वो मिल गया. Next life, cockroach in a पूरा फैमिली के साथ हो गया ना, right? So be careful with your desires. Okay, so what do you think? It happens, right? So that is what, like you will take that karma in the next life where that reel stops. इसीलिए जो भी कर रहे ना, थोड़ा डर से करो, थोड़ा भगवान है ऊपर, वो सब कुछ देख रहा है, थोड़ा डर रहना चाहिए भगवान का, किसी का रहना नहीं रहे, बट एटलीस्ट यू नीड टू गेट स्कैर्ड अबाउट द लॉर्ड, राइट? उनके ऊपर विश्वास रखो और जो भी काम करना है उनको जिस अर्पित कर कर काम करो, देन यू विल नॉट बी हैविंग एनी रिएक्शंस. तो भगवान ही याद आएंगे एंड लॉर्ड विल मेक यू like remember about the Lord at the time. If you are doing all good deeds, and good deeds also in the presence of the Lord, making Lord as the centric. ऐसे नहीं कि मैं पूरा, मेरे पास पैसा है तो पूरा ये डोनेट किया, वो डोनेट किया, पूरा अच्छा काम कर रही हूँ, सो मुझे तो अच्छा ही करना चाहिए ना, अच्छा कर्म मिलना चाहिए, अच्छा लाइफ मिलना चाहिए. Of course you will get अच्छा कर्म, but no God will be there in that picture because you never made God centric. You have made your centric. मुझे प्राउड फील करना है, माई प्राइड, बिकॉज ऑफ माई प्राइड आई एम डूइंग ऑल दोस थिंग्स. सो आप ही दिखेंगे, पूरा पिक्चर में आप ही दिखेंगे ना. अगेन यू नीड टू टेक लाइफ, राइट? इफ यू पुट लॉर्ड एज सेंट्रिक, अगेन नो नीड. गॉट इट? डू वी गेट द कार्मिक रिएक्शन इन द सेम लाइफ? नो. Different types of karma seeds, actions have different time durations after which they fructify. Means some, I can say some reactions we may get in this life, some reactions in the next life. Okay, if I sow, what is it, mustard seeds, how much time will it take to grow? Few days, one week or something like that. If a coconut tree, years it will take. Okay, so different karma will be having different span. So example, past life of Dhritarashtra. Everyone knows about story of Dhritarashtra, right? Dhritarashtra belongs to which dynasty? Which family? Kuru dynasty. So how many sons he was having?
100.
See, getting 100 sons is not an easy task. Getting son is also like we should have a good karma. Okay, now I don't want to debate why only the son knows daughter and all. I'm not going into that debate. Just in scriptures, whatever it is there, I'm just discussing with you. Okay, it is said that getting son, they need to do like pious activities and they need to have accumulated good karma in their account. Okay, now Dhritarashtra is a dhurt Vyakti. Okay, even though he is blind, he is actually blind from his mind also. Intelligence is also blind. Okay, he is a very cruel person. Right? How he got 100 sons then? Then same question he asked Krishna. देखो कृष्णा, मेरे एक नहीं 100 बच्चे थे, 100 लड़के थे, सारे मर गए. क्यों इतना punishment मुझे क्यों मिला? Okay, then Krishna says that this is not belonging to this life. This karma belongs to your previous lives, not one life. Accumulate होकर अभी उनको भुगतना पड़ा. कब? 50 lives back. So he was a hunter at that time. Okay, he want to hunt a big bird which laid 100 eggs. Okay, he wanted to shoot that bird. But he shot an arrow, but bird missed. He got very much angry and he went there and he crushed all the eggs. 100 eggs he crushed. He has taken that bad karma, no? He killed 100 babies. Right? Now, he has to undergo that suffering now. Reaction. Now what will happen? So every life he has to take birth and again. Now he was doing some punya karyas in that period also, and all punya karyas like good karma was accumulated, and this life he got 100 sons. But bad karma, that punishment he has to undergo now. Just now I was telling you, don't escape from bad karma. Somehow you will undergo the punishment. Yes, Mataji.
It is a bit off topic, but there is a discussion going on in Texas about abortion. So is it right or wrong?
Wrong. 100% wrong.
So, but
Even egg also you are and what is your omelette gone.
but those are unfertilized eggs also.
Eggs are eggs only, no? They are sterilized or something, they are unfertilized, but eggs, they have taken birth, then only after that only unfertilized, right?
We'll go to that
Afterwards, but abortion is also wrong, 100% wrong.
Mataji, but then you have different cases when the mother is like she has a life, it could be critical. So
Critical condition, that is option, because she has to undergo that pain, she has to undergo that punishment, she would have killed or that is her past karma. That is her past karma, that she has to suffer that away from the child. Right, that pain she need to undergo. Got it? So in that situation only, and that baby is also having some other karma, that he has to take birth and go away. Some other womb is waiting for him. Got it? So each and these all are interconnected. See, for begetting a child is also like it is a big tapasya. So who are getting children, actually they are blessed with by the Lord. And how to beget the child? Actually, as per Shastras, mating or uniting of man and women for only begetting children. Okay. How? There are samskaras in scriptures, it is there. like in most of the like गोद भराई या सीमंतन ये सब कुछ करते हैं ना, क्यों? Because of to get a good child, okay, without having nowadays co-livings and like dating, mating and everything is happening and going for abortions. And when after marriage, when they want the child, they are not getting, because a big crime they have done. And also now also like people are, or nonsense nowadays people are like, this is actually, it is required for your youth also. Like once you get married also, like when you are getting united, so you need to focus like to get a good child who must be a devotee. Okay, who must be a devotee. Otherwise what will happen? Demon will born and will say no, he is very hyperactive, this child is very hyperactive. He is nowadays, so many parents are complaining, he will not listen, he will roll on the road and मुझे चाहिए, सबको मारता रहता है, सबको पूरा हल्ला गुल्ला मचाता रहता है, right? क्यों? Because parents' thoughts will come into that baby when they have got united. Their all mind is like that. Okay, parents are frustrated in their work, frustrated in their like other relationships and all. So these all are like, who is intaking? The child is in the womb, is intaking, and he is taking the birth, and is nowadays like cruel mentality for child also. No, like what, teenagers also killing. Now we have seen so many things, no, going and killing others for small reasons and getting suicides. These all are nonsense things are happening. Why? Because their mentality is not strong, mind is not strong. Who is responsible? Parents. Parents should, now they need to like for if they have planned for the child, properly plan, meditate upon the Lord, chant more and more times about the Lord's name, and then get a child. It is not like an animal. जब मूड आया गया नहीं, then what is the difference? That's what I am telling. What is the difference between human and animal? You have intelligence. Where you are applying that intelligence? By looking at nonsense TV channels or not TV channels, some other videos and getting the child? Nonsense. Children will be born useless only. Okay. That is how like even Dhritarashtra, he has given birth. But what he has inculcated? From the birth, he has changed their mindset of the children. Okay, children are born very innocently and neutral mind. Okay, what kind of nature you are feeding, what things you are feeding them, obviously they will come out. So same thing here. शकुनी मामा थे, even पापा थे, पूरा बुराई छोड़ दिया, अभी क्या हुआ? उनका बर्बादी देखने को मिला. Right? So here in that case also abortions, wantedly if they are doing abortions, then that is 100% crime. If life and death case abortions means, there is some other reason. That boy, that that jiva has to come to this world and then he has to go away. That jiva has to go away. But mother has to suffer. Mother, both parents will be suffering. No, we lost the child in the abortion and all. So that is the pain. In previous life, they would have committed some mistake, but will not accept that. Will accept why it is happening to me only, what Papa I have done. I am such a humble person. Every day I am going to temple. Every day I am praying to the Lord, but still bad is happening to me. These all are Papa karmas of your previous life. We'll never think about that. We want everything instant. No, अभी खाया, अभी पकाया, अभी खाया नहीं, उसके लिए प्रोसेस होगा ना, वो कौन देखेगा? अभी we never mind that. We mind instant result. We are checking about only result, instant result. I am a good person. I am very empathetic. I am a kind person. But why bad is happening? Why? Because of this previous life's actions. Now you are facing reaction.
We only remember, right, what we have done in our past karma, whatever life we
Correct.
are having right now. Might be I might have done something good in my past karma, or might be something bad. I'm not aware about it, and I won't be aware about in my next. I'm not sure I'm going to get a birth, and I won't be remember what I have done to get that birth. So how this cycle is endless, and
Now
we
you are
don't know
intelligent.
anything.
Now you came to know, no?
Right.
Now you came to know. Hereafter you should not commit any mistake. In the sense, don't do harm. Don't do bad karmas. You know, whatever you are doing, do it in God-centric. Now at least now God has given you Sukriti, that in previous life you have, that is also there. in previous life you would have done some sukriti, punya karma. That's why you are coming and hearing something and you are touching the Bhagavad Gita and you are reading. Bhagavad Gita is giving enlightenment. So now hereafter, don't do that. Now at least next life you make it peaceful. Or don't try to fall in this life and birth death cycle. It's better no, don't fall. ये क्या चक्कर है, मुझे चक्कर में पढ़ना भी नहीं है, ये क्या गुड बैड मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं, मुझे इस चक्कर में पढ़ना ही नहीं है, तो क्या करें? सब कुछ जो कर रहे हैं कृष्णार्पणमस्तु, दैट्स इट. ओके, यस माता जी.
So the first slide which you showed, so it's like why is all the bad thing happening to me? God is there, why are there suffering?
Yes.
So related to that, you said karma is like a cycle.
Yes.
So whatever happened 50 years back, that is reflected in today's life.
Yes.
So what is God doing in this cycle? So it is all like a consequence of whatever karma.
God is giving you enlightenment, or God is giving you the knowledge to know about Him.
But that can also be like past. Just now you said past karma. Because of that, I'm reading Bhagavad Gita now. So it is
Yeah.
the karma I am doing.
Last Janma you would have read Bhagavad Gita, or you would have done some good karmas. That is why you are sitting here. Okay. But entirely you are not purified, no. The previous births also you would have committed mistakes or something. Karma is still attached to you. How now? What we need to do? We need to nullify this karma. So how we can do? How we can nullify karma? Until you nullify karma, you will be falling in this birth and death cycle again and again. God will be giving you knowledge about. Don't commit this again and again. He is giving you intelligence. He is giving you knowledge. But how you are utilizing? It is your free will. Got it? I am telling you, here Bhagavad Gita classes are happening. Okay. If you are not coming here also, but still you know that what is good karma and bad karma. You are reading Bhagavad Gita. But still after 1 month, what do you say? Maya is so influenced that now you left everything. Again you are going back to the previous. See, getting good things is very tough. Getting bad influence is very easy. Now someone will say, hey, what you are doing, just keep it away, that Bhagavad Gita, you come and enjoy with us, life choti hai. Okay, you leave that. Again you go there. And again you will pile up the karma, bad karma. What will happen? Again you will take birth. This life will go on. That's what I am telling you. You would have taken millions of birth. Not 50. Millions of birth you would have taken. Okay, as anything. You would have, because of that millions of birth, somewhere you have done something like some bad karmas, we would have born as animals. Animals won't have karmic reactions. That's why so many things, so many types of animals we would have taken birth and we would have come into human life. Human life is very, very precious. Do not waste it and do not harm it. Okay, ये मेरा body है, check, काट लिया. मेरा body है, I'll suicide. मेरा body है, थप्पड़ मार लो. These all are nonsense. You don't have any right on your body. Okay, this is Lord has given. Everything belongs to Lord. Lord has given this body to do service, to do serve to Him. Okay, do service to Him. Okay, we need to serve always Lord. Then He will be very much happy and appreciate. And all the karmas. See, जो भी कर्मा है, जो previous birth का है, हमको भुगतना पड़ेगा. We have to undergo it. Let it go. Then only that karma will get nullified. Got it? So how? Is everything fixed in life? Tell me, is everything fixed in life? Depending on karma, many things in life are fixed. What? Breaths, money, grains, life partner, etc. दाने दाने में लिखा हुआ खाने वालों का नाम. अगर वाइफ एंड हस्बैंड अच्छे से पहले एक अच्छा सा बिरयानी बना लिया, ओके, पता नहीं एक छोटी चीज़ में कुछ फाइटिंग हो गया, ओके, दोनों बिना खाए सो गए, तो नेक्स्ट दिन क्या होगा? काम वाली आएगी, अरे इतना अच्छा बिरयानी और मेरे लिए बनाया है, एक तो कोई नहीं खाया, चलो मैं खा लेती हूँ. तो किसको मिला हो? राइट? सो हर दाने में हम लोगों का नाम होना चाहिए. सो till then only will be existing in this life. Okay, and breaths. You know about tortoise and dog? Dog have very short breaths. Very short. Tortoise will take long breaths. When you are doing yoga also, what they will tell? take long breath, slow breath, right? How much ever slow breaths and long breaths we take, that much lifespan will be increased. Okay, so when we angry, have you observed our breath? How it will be very cool or slow? Fast. So your lifespan you are decreasing by yourself. गुस्से में आ गए तो कर दिया, गया, काउंट गया, उसमें कट गया. भगवान ने हमको ऑलरेडी काउंट दिया, तुम्हारा इतने मिलियन ब्रेथ्स है. अगर गुस्से में आ गए और ज्यादा एक्सरसाइज जो हमारा बस की बात भी नहीं है, दूसरे लोग कर रहे हैं, मैं भी करूंगी, ओके, तो क्या हुआ, गया. तो यू आर डिक्रीजिंग योर ब्रेथ. ओके, यस माता जी. Yes.
It too happens, like it cannot be avoided, like
Yes.
you cannot live in a guilt-free life.
Correct.
So like in that way, like how does this pain,
Yeah.
like can you pray daily, like
Yes.
purify my karmas? That's the
Yes,
question.
of course prayers will work. That's what here I want to just, I will finish this same topic I am coming back. Now what is not fixed in our progress is bhakti. Okay, bhakti is not fixed. How? Because this life you have done bhakti, so next life also whatever account, suppose you have come here like 5 years and you have done very good bhakti. Okay, afterwards, no, after marriage you didn't get time and you are engrossed in your whole family life. अगर मौका नहीं मिला है सब कुछ, लेकिन कॉन्शियस में है कि मुझे भक्ति करना है, right? This bhakti will never go in vain. Okay, in Bhagavad Gita it is said that does my spiritual advancement depends on past karma? Yes. How? See, this is very famous shloka. In this it is said that in this endeavor there is no loss or diminution. And a little advancement on this path can protect one from the most dangerous type of fear. So good activities will create good situations. Okay, but does not give rise to bhakti. That's what I told you. I am having money, I have done many good things, but it gives bhakti to you? No. When you serve Lord, then only you get bhakti. When you are doing bhakti, so this bhakti will be accumulated in this janma, and next life also it will be transferred in your account. Okay, now this life it ends, and next life you may take birth in your devotional family, or like Pujari family, where every day devotion happens. Every day you will be close to the Lord. Okay, every day you remember about the Lord. Every day you get chance to serve the Lord. Like that, chance will get. Got it? So this is how like our life will get transformed from one body to another body based on your karma. Okay, so whatever good deeds or bhakti you are doing, it will be carried forward. It will be accumulated in your account, bhakti account. Somewhere, see, now at this age you have come into bhakti. In next life, by birth you will be into bhakti. एक बार TV channels में भी आता है ना, very small child, like 3-4 years only, he will be reciting shlokas. He is very devotional. Parents are not, but बच्चा devotional है, right? So this is how, that is parent sukriti. Somewhere like sometimes they would have done some sukriti, they have got this child, okay, and you have done very good karma, and you have done very akarma, not good karma, akarma. So you have taken birth in such a good or devotional family where parents are accepting you. Now if you may do bhakti, but your parents may object. ओके, अभी क्या पढ़ा है, अभी रिटायरमेंट का एज भी नहीं है, अभी शादी भी नहीं हुई है, अभी भक्ति क्या सन्यासी लेके बैठेगी क्या? डेफिनेटली विल कम टू नो, लिसन ऑल दिस थिंग्स. दिस इज व्हाट विल हैपन इफ यू हैव डन गुड थिंग्स. द नेक्स्ट लाइफ without having any hurdles you can serve the Lord. Got it? This is how peacefully we get. Why do bad things happen to good people? In the beginning I was asking you, right? So same thing, karma. See, if you, this is a grain box, dabba hai, so in the beginning whatever you have poured, one by one, okay, एक बार what is saying, तुअर दाल पहले डाला, फिर ज्वार डाला, फिर उसके बाद राइस डाला, तो मुझे राइस चाहिए तो वो राइस आएगा क्या? नहीं। क्या आएगा? नीचे क्या डाला? तुअर दाल डाला, अरहर दाल डाला, जो भी है. So this is how like our karma also. We need to wait for our karma. See, every time like we may think that it is happening bad to us, but sometimes good also will happen. No, we need to have patience, because we need to suffer, then only we'll get fruits. That same thing here, we need to wait. What we need, if you want to rise, then this all karma what you need to undergo should go away, then only we'll get the fruits of our good karma. Got it? Good and bad karma nullify each other. The same thing? No, both are. Again, I will come back to Mataji's question. Ignorance of the law is not an excuse. See, arrested for speeding. See, many times it happens that I know I should not go fast. Speed limit will be there. Should not cross 70. Right? But still, I'll go in 100. But I will be caught somewhere in the front. जब पकड़ता है पुलिस में क्या बोलती हूँ? अरे मैंने देखा भी नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं था इसमें इतना स्पीड से जाना है. तो क्या ठीक है बेटा, नेक्स्ट टाइम में फिर स्लो ही ले आना, लेकिन अभी तो पेनल्टी पे करो. बोलेगा कि नहीं? वैसे सेम punishment you do, but you have to undergo punishment. Whatever you do, knowingly unknowingly, but you have to get punishment. Okay? Principles of hygiene, पता है, सबको पता है principles of hygiene. ऐसे होना चाहिए, ऐसे होना चाहिए. फिर भी क्या करते हैं हम लोग? स्ट्रीट फूड्स खाते हैं, क्योंकि लालसा ऐसी है, लालच ऐसी होती है ना. आई एम हंग्री, सो एक अच्छा का समोसा का स्मेल आ रहा था ना, पानी पूरी का स्मेल आ रहा था, गया ले लिया. राइट? वी नो वी हैव टू अंडरगो पनिशमेंट. व्हाट? स्टमक अपसेट, फिर कुछ हो गया, डायरिया हो गया, कुछ हो गया, वी नीड टू अंडरगो. चाइल्ड पुट्स हैंड इन फायर, पता है उसको फायर है, आग लग जाएगी, फिर भी हाथ रखा तो undergo. In modern times, most people are unaware about laws of karma, but ignorance of the law is no excuse. Okay? Ignorance of truth of life. What? Human life is given to understand the purpose of life, not to be ignorance. Okay, not to be in ignorance. For example, company hires intelligence ones and trains them. When God has given intelligence, He has made arrangements for trainings also. Right? So what is the training? Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is giving training to you. Arey Baba, at least you read this Bhagavad Gita, you will come out of these all things. Okay, that is Bhagavad Gita. Without reading Bhagavad Gita, what will happen? We will suffer. For Indians, karma is even more sensitive. Right? Because Bharat Bhumi knows about Papa karma, Punya karma, everything, scriptures, everything is given to us. We are very, very pious. We have taken birth in this Bharatakhanda, but still we underestimate ourselves and we fly other countries. Again, there we need to suffer, and again we'll come back here. Or we'll die there only without having any knowledge, ignorance mainly. So this is how we need to undergo sufferings. But human life is being endowed with higher intelligence, provides us an opportunity to become free from ignorance. Just now, Mataji's answer. Okay, she has asked this question, right? We have opportunity. God will provide us opportunity also to come out of this ignorance. How? Read Bhagavad Gita and come to light. And feel guilty. Whatever, ask, beg for forgiveness to the Lord and Guru. I have committed so many mistakes in my life. Please forgive me. See, this is all forgiveness in other communities also you can see. Even in Christians also, they go for churches and they beg for forgiveness. All types of nonsense they will do, and forgiveness. Okay, but forgiveness, again you should not repeat. Okay, Lord knows everything. ये किया, आज फॉरगिव कर दिया, फिर नेक्स्ट दिन आकर फिर से कुंभ मेला आ गया, सब लोग डुबकी मारे, फिर से क्या हुआ? बोलो, सारा पाप विनाश हो गया? होता है, लेकिन फिर अगर हमारा मेंटालिटी सेम है, अगर सेम मिस्टेक्स वी आर रिपीटिंग, वी नीड टू अंडरगो द सेम सफरिंग्स. इफ यू dip in many Kumbh Melas or whatever it may be, but you have to dip in Bhagavad Gita. शास्त्र में dip करना वो important है, right? If you are like dipping in shastras, then you will never commit mistake. Even though you commit, you ask for forgiveness and you be in bhakti, you repent, regret, right? How can we modify our past reactions? In Bhagavad Gita it is written 2.50, a man engaged in devotional service rights himself of both good and bad reactions even in this life. Therefore strive for yoga, which is the art of all work. Okay, how to deal with this adverse situation in life? Accept. That's what. Accept the fact. I have done it. I have to face it. Okay. I have done it means I have to face it. आग में हाथ लगाया, then I have to face it, no? That. Accept. With every suffering, the burden of sin reduces. Every suffering. See, diseases. People will get diseases. What are this? These all are past karma only. Means we need to suffer. Suffer. That is a punishment in this life of the previous life. Undergo the disease and pain and suffer. But beg for the mercy of the Lord. Okay, beg out of it, like to get out of it. And read every day Shastras. Read every day, like chant every day His name. Go deeper in spiritual life. Then only you will come out of it. We need to come into the stage of akarma. Whatever you are doing, it is God-centric. Don't be pride of your deeds. ये मेरे से ही हुआ है. Because I am here, that's why I am class is running. Otherwise, no. No. If I am not there, other devotee will come and take. Okay, there are many things. Okay, अगर PM मोदी चले गए तो दूसरा PM आएगा ही ना. Right. So it happens. काम कभी नहीं रुकेगी. It will go on. The cycle will be going on. Okay. So what we need to do? So we need to practice regularly about quick spiritual advancement. Do mantra meditation every day and study one shloka at least one every day, one shloka of Bhagavad Gita. And please do not miss this Saturday, not mornings. Okay. This is how we do it. So advanced sessions criteria, minimum 1 round every day you need to chant. How many of you, at least 3 weeks, I think 3-4 weeks we have spent together. So have you started chanting?
Yes.
At least 1 round? At least 1 round? Actually I will begin with 4 rounds, not 1 round. Why? I'll tell you. If we begin with 4 rounds, 1 round will become easy. Got it? Every day I need to chant 4 rounds. You decide like that. So 1 round will become easy. So come back quickly. What we have discussed today. What is the topic of today's topic? Coming out of or dealing with adverse situation. What we have discussed? Karma. Karma is of how many types? 3 types. Karma, akarma, vikarma. Okay. Karma means actually बोलो कर्मा का मीनिंग क्या है? Equal and opposite reactions will get it. And again sakarma, good reactions, that is punya karyas. Vikarma, bad reactions. Okay, papa. And akarma, no reactions. No reactions. Why? Because whatever we are doing, it is God centric. Okay, Krishna is centric and we are doing. Okay, इसीलिए सब लोग थोड़े बुजुर्ग भी बोलते हैं कृष्णा अर्पणमस्तु, कुछ भी बोलते हैं. वो छींकते भी हैं तो वो भी राम राम बोलते हैं, कृष्णा कृष्णा बोलते हैं. ओके, ऐसे बोलते रहते हैं. बिकॉज our scriptures and our ancestors have taught us in such a way, but because we are in this fast moving society or generations, we don't have time, we have forgotten everything and no one is there to guide us. Okay, so these all are the things whatever we are doing, we need to undergo the reactions, right? So how to deal with adverse situations? How to deal? accepting as it is. Yeah, I have committed mistake, so I will accept the result also. But please forgive me, the Lord, about my mistakes, whatever I have committed. And I don't want to offend anyone. Without knowingly, unknowingly, if I have offended anyone in my life, please forgive me. You know, if you read the prayers of ISKCON every day, these all prayers will be there. Okay. So in every class, we repeat these sentences. Please forgive me for knowingly, unknowingly, if I have committed any mistakes. Because I don't want to take any results of the class or anything, right? Or any services. Okay, whatever services, small service also you have got, roll the mats or anything. See, thank you God for giving me this opportunity. Always you need to thank the God. Okay, even though bad things are happening in your life, please thank the God. Because what will happen, going forward, when we come to know about the reality about bhakti and about the connection between ourselves and the God starts interacting with us, because you started reciprocating, you started asking him and he will reciprocate. अगर मेरा कुछ बड़ा एक्सीडेंट होने वाला था, मेरे नसीब में ऐसा है, हॉरोस्कोप दिखाया कि एट दिस एज यू विल बी हैविंग सम गंडा, क्या बोलते हैं, एक बड़ा obstacle in your life, that you will be meeting an accident, right? लेकिन I am doing everyday bhakti. That is not in my mind that मेरा अभी आएगा, that is why I am doing bhakti. No, that is also again bad. You should be free from all the reactions and actions and then do bhakti. As a part, like every day I am doing my bhakti. So what will happen? Lord will help us. Instead of that big accident, he will create a small accident. Okay, I may fall from the staircase or something, and something small fracture may happen or some cut or whatever it may be. He will rescue us from that. अगर दाने दाने में मेरा नाम है तभी, अगर नहीं है तो pack up and tata bye bye. That's it. Okay. So this is how we need to deal with the adverse situation. See, matra sparshasthu kaunteya sukha dukha shitoshna sukha dukkadaha. Means whatever it is, good or bad, accept it and don't jump or don't overwhelm when you are in good condition, and don't be in pathetic condition or depressed in any distractions or bad conditions. Okay, try to take both in a balanced way. Everything is God given. Accept as it is. Then you will not take any results to your heart. If you take results to your heart, then only problem will be created. अगर मैनेजर ने आपको इतना अच्छे से गाली दिया, एक्चुअली इंटेंशनली आपके लिए नहीं, आपके काम के लिए दिया, बट आप क्या करेंगे? वो अपना हार्ट को ले लेंगे. मैनेजर ने मुझे ऐसे बोला, ऐसे बोला, ऐसे बोला. What will happen? What will happen? You will be thinking about that for many days, many months, and whenever you see manager also, you will not have good impression on him. He has done his duty. Okay, to give feedback, but in a harsh way. Okay, that is for your work, not as आप ऐसे ही हो, आप ऐसे हेयर स्टाइल में आए हो, आप ऐसे कभी बोलते हैं क्या? नहीं ना, आपके काम की वजह से वो बोलते हैं, राइट? He never physically humiliate any person. Like usually, if he humiliates any physical abusement, anything, पोस्को वगैरह है, तब उसको punishment मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, right? But generally, this all happens, right? So take in that way that yes, I wouldn't have done this work properly, so I will accept it. I will train myself, and I will ask someone who knows this topic, and I'll correct it. Okay.
Mataji, if someone is treating us unfairly, they are knowing it, we are tolerating it for long time, but then God says that you tolerate also, be humble also, and at the same time He says like you fight for your, you get up and you fight for yourself also. Then what to do, Mataji, in this situation?
Situation in the sense unfair things really it is happening with you.
Yes, Mataji, we know that
It is happening with you.
We are keeping mum, like we are
Mouth
not saying
shut.
anything.
Many times it happens. Many of them they come to me with that same problem. See here, if it is related to the work, then accept it. If it is not related to the work, that's what I was telling, if it is personally they are humiliating you or unfairly they are talking to you, then that is wrong. Okay, you try to ignore them. Tolerating, okay, ignore at certain level, that either you change the company or you change the profession only.
And that is affecting our bhakti also, because our mind is busy.
That is what you need to come out. You would have ऐसा होता है ना, बोलते हैं कि like पूर्व जन्म में like your enemies, both enemies and both इतने enemies थे, एंड इस जन्म में वाइफ एंड हस्बैंड के जैसे पैदा हो गए, ऑलवेज फाइटिंग एंड टेकिंग एलिमिनेटिंग, नहीं तो सास बहू की तरह, दैट इज लाइक अभी बदला, पिछले जन्म का बदला अभी तुमसे लूंगी, अभी देख लेना, तुम्हारा जीना हराम कर दूंगी. ओके, ऐसे होता है, राइट? सो दिस इज हाउ, लाइक इन प्रीवियस समवेयर समटाइम्स लाइक यू वुड हैव डन समथिंग, नाउ यू आर बेयरिंग दैट. ओके, बेयर इट, टॉलरेट इन सर्टेन एक्सटेंट. ओके, अगर बेयर नहीं होता है तो जस्ट स्टॉप इट.
बेयर भी कर लेते माता जी, लेकिन दैट इज अफेक्टिंग भक्ति, बिकॉज़
Bhakti should not get affected. That's what I'm telling you.
gets entangled in those things.
See, that's what I'm telling you. ऑफिस का काम ऑफिस में ही छोड़कर आ जाओ. Try to limit. Don't carry that. That's what, when you will engage your mind in such a way that you will not bring those such things. Don't carry baggage. Okay, if you carry baggage, then you will creating a big hump on your back and you can't walk properly in your life. If camel के पास इतना बड़ा hump होता है, it will not walk properly. Same way, if you are carrying our baggage and carrying your like mind में इतना baggage लेकर आ रहे हैं, it will affect definitely in other works. Okay, अगर wife and husband में है, that is the reason nowadays, like why actually अच्छा खासा उनका जीवन रहता है, wife and husband, because of the work culture, their life is getting affected. Life is getting affected. You take about your parents and all. If one parent is working and one parent is not, okay, if papa shout करते थे भी ना, mother tolerate करती थी, she knows that something would have happened in the office, that way she is keeping quiet and she manages.
Both are working.
Now अभी both are hard working, both baggage, they are carrying their baggage. क्या होगा, उधर का पूरा फ्रस्ट्रेशन कौन निकालेगा? काम के ऊपर निकालेंगे, एक के ऊपर एक डालेंगे, अभी बच्चा पैदा हो गया तो उसके ऊपर निकालेंगे, फिर लास्ट में क्या होगा, डिवोर्स. अल्टीमेटली व्हाट हैपेंस, दे रियलाइज आफ्टर फ्यू इयर्स, बट आफ्टरवर्ड्स व्हाट हैपेंस, ही वुड हैव मैरिड समवन एल्स एंड शी वुड हैव मैरिड समवन एल्स, एंड बच्चा कहीं पे वो अपना जीवन बिता रहा होगा. दिस इज द रीजन. That is the reason when frustration begins, if really you need to work, then only work, otherwise stop. वर्क के बिना नहीं चल सक रहा है अपने जीवन में, then that is the reason. In upcoming slides, upcoming topics are very very good topics. It gives you proper direction whether I am going in proper directions or not. You may not be suitable for engineering, sorry, I am taking, you may be good at some counseling sessions or something, but professionally, because of force, you have taken engineering, right? But you are not able to sustain in that, right? So without happy, you can't sustain. That's what, like, leave that job and cultivate whatever opportunity you have. If you are good at cooking, अच्छा, इतना अच्छा restaurants, इतना अच्छा आ रहा है, right? You can earn in such a way also. And first of all, our mind should be peaceful. We need to see where our mind is peaceful, and it should not affect your bhakti life. Okay, अगर दोनों ही काम करना है तो definitely we need to work, but in the main reason, arrange your family in such a way that, okay, it will not affect your bhakti life. That commitments you need to take. You need to discuss with your better half also. See, when both are in peace and both are in good mood, that time only we need to discuss all these points. Bhakti is also important, and we need to balance our life. अगर frustration में है, I can understand your pain also, you should also understand my pain also too. Mutual respect. Okay, when you both will understand, then only we can come out of these things. Got it? So wherever you are going, whatever work you are doing, don't see that your bhakti will not impact. At least one shloka per day, chant for 4 rounds every day, and hear. Okay, you are traveling in cab, hear lectures, nice lectures about the Lord and all. There are so many lectures. Okay, hear, no? Why empty ears? Anyway, couch kundals are there. Instead of using for Bollywood, Mollywood or any Tollywood songs, hear about Lord. It gives peace of mind. Truth, reality you will find out. Okay, that try to do. Then you will come out of this and you will get, that's what I'll tell you, you will get the strength to fight these all things. Mujhe always why bad happens to me only. Why I am targeted every time. This is all about our karma only. We can't, if you want to rescue from out of karma, tolerate, have patience. Definitely he will change or you will change. That's it. You will change company or he will change his company. But that's it. Until then, just have patience.
Mataji, one last question. I was discussing soul with someone, and someone asked me that how souls doesn't have gross body. So how they get punished in Narka? Like how
They will, some body will be given. Like temporary bodies will be given. In Garuda Puran, if you read, nowadays, this all only we are hearing, no? अभी ये पूरा जो period है, पूर्णिमा से लेकर अमावस्या तक, ना? हाँ, ये श्राद्ध का मौसम है पूरा. तो इसमें पूरा आपको सुनने के लिए मिलेगा. This soul will get temporary body, where temporary body will be punished in each and every level, no? Like the body will be cut into the pieces, and even tongue will be cut into bit by bit. I
so
say.
the temporary body will be like this?
You will get
Panch Maha.
no, not Panch Mahabhut. But you will get the pain, because you should feel, no, the pain.
Soul can feel the pain.
पेन वही, उधर भी पनिशमेंट और इधर पैदा होने के बाद भी इधर भी पनिशमेंट है. वो पनिशमेंट भुगतना ही पड़ेगा. Yes,
Mataji, like if someone died all of sudden, like without suffering any diseases or
हाँ.
health issues,
हाँ.
like peacefully while sleeping, like it, how can we take it is because of that good
Karma.
karmas or bad?
Karma.
Good karma or bad?
Any good karma only, because he didn't suffer anything, no.
But for whole family it was so painful.
That is family's karma. They have to undergo the pain.
That is what I need to know.
That is family karma, because they need to undergo the pain. Okay, he is very happy because he has left his body, another body he will enjoy. Okay, but around him, like all of a sudden, very young age, leaving small kids, बोल डांटते रहते हैं ना जब body को भी, see how he has gone by leaving everyone like this and all, as if he has done something. Okay, but it's Lord's mercy. वो गया तो उनका his destiny is somewhere else. Now time has come. अभी दाने दाने में उनका नाम नहीं है, खत्म हो गया. Breaths are done. तो उनका अकाउंट में सब कुछ खत्म हो गया.
Mataji, after death, that soul doesn't carry this pain, right?
Pain.
Like we had attachments.
12 days, no? That's what I told you, no? The 12 days.
After that,
They have to carry their journey. They have to travel. In that traveling only, a lot of obstacles will be there, and they can't walk also. In a sense, they can't fly. Whatever, they can't move forward, but still they will be pulling. Okay, if he has done good deeds, he is a pious person. Vishnu Dutas will come and they take him very nicely. They'll carry. अगर नहीं हुआ तो horrible life, a horrible journey to the destination, like until he passed to the next body. Horrible. So already it is there in Garuda Purana. Like it is a fact also and it is truth also. Like when you are having faith about the next life, you should believe that punishments for the soul also. And we also feel. एक बार हमको लगता है कि the soul who has passed away, they are feeling and they are thirsty, they are coming in the dreams and they are asking something. These all they are feeling the pain and they are coming and giving caution that please give me something, please do some pujas for me and all. Okay, at least 1 year, no, we need to do. You never got this question like we are doing Shardas and all, no? श्राद्ध कर्मा सब कुछ we are doing like हमारे पूर्वजों का, लेकिन आपने अभी बोला कि वो that soul has transferred to the other body, तो कौन खा रहा है उधर? You didn't get the doubt. Wonder, high intelligence है ना, बोलो डाउट नहीं आया? कौन करे? मैं ही क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ, मुझे हमेशा ये डाउट आता है. आई बिलीव सोल इज ट्रांसफरिंग फ्रॉम वन बॉडी टू अनदर बॉडी. गॉट इट. मेरे दादा परदादा कब की गुजर गए, फिर भी अभी चढ़ा रहे हैं उनको, ठीक है, पूजा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उनका बॉडी किसी और, उनका सोल किसी और के बॉडी में चला गया होगा ना. तो ये जो भी हम लोग दिखा रहे हैं वो किसको?
only, I think.
No, वो उनको ही जाता है. If they have taken the birth again somewhere, they might be getting that fortune. If we are doing something for them here and they have taken some other body, it might be like if they are thirsty or something, they will get water suddenly or some food, something.
Correct, exactly. See, we are also purvaj from someone, for someone. Okay, we don't know, but we don't know in previous life किसके dynasty में थे, किसके परिवार में थे, we don't know, right? They are giving the food every year. They are doing the pujas every year. They are doing the prayers, right? So that is affecting our body in the present life. You are getting proper food, okay, even though nowadays, like you know, because of diabetes and buy one get one free BP और diabetes के हिसाब से वो नहीं खाना, ये नहीं खाना, ये सब कुछ हो रहा है ना. Means these all are punishments. और पूर्वज कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. मीन्स हमारा यंगर जनरेशन, पूर्वज नहीं, हमारा यंगर जनरेशन जो भी है हमको दे रहे हैं, पीछे से दे रहे हैं, वो हमको नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि they are not doing properly. So that is why we are held up with this, no, you should not eat that, you should not eat that. Even though we are thirsty, we are not getting water on time. Even though we are hungry, so many days, like you know, without food 1 or 2 days, like any journey or anything, will not get proper food also, right? These all are हमारा अभी क्या बोलेंगे, पूर्वजन का नहीं बोलेंगे, अभी नहीं बोलेंगे, not descendants or not successors, they are something else. Okay, got it. So always we do, always I tell you, tomorrow is Mahalaya Amavasya, no? It is said that all our पूर्वज जो भी हैं उनको आप अच्छे से विनती मांगो and at least offer fruits to the Lord. I know you can't offer anything else, cooked वाला कुछ भी, sweets या fruit कुछ भी हो, offer to the Lord by putting tulsi on the fruits, because it will go as prasad and they will get purified, their life get purified. Got it? It has to go as a prasad. Got it? Tomorrow please do and pray to all your elders who have passed away. Okay? तो get, इसलिए बोलते हैं ना, अगर उनको ठीक से नहीं किया तो इस लाइफ में हमको भुगतना पड़ेगा, without having any children, without having male child or without having prosperity in the life. No, that's what ये पितृ क्या बोलते हैं, पितृदोष. हाँ, पितृदोष क्यों कहते हैं? यही we are not offering, क्योंकि देखो ब्यूटी ऑफ आवर एंसेस्टर, दे धमकी देकर या डरा के हमको बताया जा रहा है कि यू डू दिस, नहीं तो तुमको ये सारा पनिशमेंट मिलेगा. एटलीस्ट फॉर दैट सेक वी आर डूइंग. गॉट इट? हम लोग बहुत लालची है ना, ग्रीडी है. व्हाट, मुझे क्या है, मुझे क्या है, मैं इतना कर रही हूँ, मुझे क्या है. तो भगवान दे रहे हैं, पितृ दोष रिमूव कर रहे हैं, तो तुमको प्रॉस्पेरिटी होगा. गॉट इट? दैट्स इट. ओके. हरि ओम तत्सत.